Hello guys, my name is Saida Hafsa, and today we will be learning ARTIST binary, and we'll tell you how we do it. So we're going to do it with zeros and ones. So equals to off and on. So 0 equals off and 1 equals on. So we're going to figure out the pattern. So it already tells us how many times we have to repeat it. 21 times. So now we just have to figure out the pattern. So this part, this black block stands for off, and this block stands for 1. That means on. So it goes like off, off, on, off, off, on. See? It's like that. Off, off, on, off, off, on, off, off, on. So, you know, I already told you that 0 equals off, so this means it's 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So we know that's 21, so we just have to add the draw binary and write its pattern in this block. So we know that's 0, 0, 1. Now all we have to do is test it out and see if it's correct or wrong. So guys, this is correct, and this is how we do coding with binary. So I would be doing another level with you guys. We're gonna be doing level 8 for our next level, and this one would be a little bit different and a little bit hard. So I'll help you with doing this one. So there's no patterns for this one, so I would not be using patterns as the repeat block because it's gonna get a little bit too hard. So I'm just going to use the draw binary and this block, to write the zeros and ones. So I'm going to add the draw binary. Now we're just going to figure out, in the first row, how many times we have to use zeros and ones. So in total we have 8 blocks. And we have 1 green block. So that means we will be using 1 on, that equals 1 block, and 7 0 blocks. So that we're gonna make 7 zeros and 1 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there we go. And we're gonna get a next binary code. And we're gonna go. We are on our next row, and now we're gonna check what we're up to. So that's equals 0. First is 0. We already have 0 over here, but I'll make it 0. And how many times do we have 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're gonna do this part is 0. So we add 1 0. We add 1 1. Now we're gonna go to our next row, that's this one, and get on draw binary. And let's see, in the third row it starts with a 0, 0, 1, and then it goes 3 zeros, like 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. Then there's a 1 over here, so we add 1, and then there's a 0, and there's a 1 over here. Now we're on this row, so in this we're going to get a new draw binary. and let's figure out what we have to do in this row. So this starts with 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So how many times is 0, 1? 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So I'm going to use a repeat 1 for this one. So that's 4 times. We're going to repeat it. Do 0, 1. And right now we have it on our 4th row, so we're just going to check if we're doing it correct. So till now we're doing it correct, and now we're up to our 5th row. This one is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and 0, 1. So it's the same one. Let's do the same thing with this one. Four times. We already know there's all like the 8 blocks, and then it's gonna be 4 times of combination. So it's gonna be, we know that's 0, 1. So we're going to add 0, 1, and have we added the number of times? Nope, we have not. So we're going to add 4 times. Add our dual binary block, our number block, and we're going to do it. We repeated that 4 times. Now we're just going to reset and run. So I'm only gonna do it the last time. So I'm just gonna stop. So I'm just gonna slide. So we're up to this. We only have 3 more lines left, and then we're done. So with this one is 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So I'm not gonna use the code one for this. So I'm just gonna continue. So that's 0, and then 1. That's 0, 1, 1, and then it's 0, 1. Now we're up to this one. We're gonna get our S, and then so we continue in this line. So there are how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're at 5 zeros. We have 5 zeros, and once we're over here, we have 1. And now this is our last row. And then we're gonna run it and check if we're done. So that's 0, and then 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then reset, run. Yes, we did it. So guys, this is the end of the video, and see you later.